Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to get Google Keyword Planner for free. Okay, the first thing that you should do is simply go and open your account or your browser, then search for Google Ads. Then you want to go and click on the first option that you will get. And after that, here you will find this page. Click on Start Now. Then you will be redirected to this page. Simply enter here your business name. So I'm going to add here freelancer, for example. Then I'm going to go and open the profile of my Upwork. This is my Upwork profile. I'm going to link the Upwork profile to this page. Then I'm going to go and click on next. They now are reviewing my URL. You can add a description. Let's say voice over video editor. It says right, then click on next. You can add a YouTube channel, mobile app. Now I'm going to simply click on skip. Then here for this one, I'm going to click on see more. I'm just going to hit skip also for this one. Change campaign type. You want to get here to search. Okay, once you choose the search, you'll have to click on next. Then you want to scroll down till you find here next. Click on it. Now I will go back again. Go and click on back, then go and click on back again. Till you find here this page again. Click on skip, then click on leave campaign. And now I'm going to add the account settings. Then I'm going to click on continue. Now you want to hit submit. And of course, you will have to add your payment profile. And now what you should do is to simply add your payment method, then click on I agree, then choose no, and click on submit on the bottom right side, then go and click on complete. And now you'll get redirected to this page. Simply select the first option no, then select the second option yes, then go and click on save and continue. And here you are, you have this interface. Just go to tools and the left side, then keyword planner, and you have now keyword planner on your Google Ads account. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.